डॉक्टर बाबा साहेब आंबेडकर ओपन यूनिवर्सिटी.
Good morning, students. I welcome you all at Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar Open University, Jyotirmay Parishar. My name is Bijal Rawal. Today we are going to discuss on principle of management. Our unit is organizing. In past lecture we had already discussed about the structure of organizing. We will continue our new topic. Introduction we had already discussed. Concept, meaning and definitions, we just recall that. Factors affecting structure, departmentation, we had already know the Luther Gulick state, 7 functions of management, post decop. In every lecture we just recall that things. P for planning, O for organizing, S for staffing, D for directing, C for coordinating, R for reporting, and B for budgeting. Manager is getting things done through the others. He prepare, build an organization, recruitment activities, and arrange training to the employees so they can easily work with the organization as per the expertise. They have the qualities of work. Managers have proper idea which group of people can work that task easily. So manager can distribute that particular task to the particular person. So on a very short period we will achieve our target. Functions of management: planning, organizing, staffing. Definition we had already discussed. According to JDSL, an organization consists of people who carry out differentiate tasks which are coordinated to contribute organizations as per the expertise, as per the different expertise that person can easily contribute their task and they can help the organization easily. According to the Mooney and Riley, organization is a form of human associated for the attainment of a common purpose, not for the particular purpose. They can work together for a organizational goal. They work with each other and contribute their roles. So that is more important to relationship between that person, managers as well as the other departmental employees. Factors affecting structures. Which factors can affect? Size of the organization is important. If our organization is small, the number of the people is less. So we cannot achieve our target. In small organizations, they have small employees, they have small departments and the other things. So we have to design our structure on a proper way so we can achieve our target easily. Natures of the business is important. If our business on proper manner, our nature is of business is clear. Marketing departments, some production departments, the service department, they have that qualities of work. They have the different departments, and they have the different qualities as per the customer need. They have to achieve their target. So if we design our structure on a proper manner, we will achieve our target, and we will achieve customers needs and the customers requirements too. Business strategies. If our organizational structure is good, on formal way, the employees can easily achieve their target. And in this technological world, we have to innovate our product as well as the new technique, so we can easily achieve our target, and we will survive in this competition. So day by day, business strategy is more important. Technology. If we work on a normal or if we can see day by day technology is improved, so we should analyze our structure as per the technology. We should improve that. The number of people, they have not much knowledge about that things. We should arrange the training about that, so our employee can easily understand that thing, and we will achieve our target on time. External environment is important. We can see this, the globalizations and the number of competitions are there. So external environment can affect our organization easily. We should maintain that type of culture. We should maintain that type of relationship between the people, so the external environment cannot affect them. We should design that type of structure so they can work effectively in our organization. Geographical dispersion. In our organizations, if our organization can achieve the target on time, lots of other things, competitive world, the marketing strategy, the work will the work distributions is more important between them. Company culture. We should design our company culture as per the employees' requirement, as per the organizational uh, responsibility, organizational goal, long term, short term. So the people come to know about the company culture. We should come to know about the company or organization as per the company culture. We should maintain day by day to retain our customer, or for a long term relationship between the customer. Company culture is more important. Regulatory and the legal requirements, we need regulations and the legal requirements is more important in organizational structure. We should maintain that on daily basis. Leadership style, we come to know about the organizational leaders, the authority, how we can achieve our target on a given time, which type of leadership style we can use and improve ourselves and improve our organizational structure. That is more important. Human resources, in every department we have lots of people, lots of employee work together for a common goal. The requirements, the needs as per the customer requirement, they have to balance with each other. If one department is not achieve the target or a goal on a proper time period, that can be affect other department easily. If we have not proper production or a proper things to achieve our target on purchase level, then we will not fulfill the customer need on time. So the communication between two departments also important. So without human resources we will not achieve our target. State of organizational development, state of organizational development is also important. As we come to know, all organizational have different stages. As per their requirement, they have to fulfill, or they have to categorize as per the stages. On primary stage they have that type of requirements. After that we come to know about what things or on which manners the organizational development will get proper benefit. Customers needs and preferences is more important for every organization. As per the customer need, we have to create something new on day by day. Globalization, for globalizations we have to innovate something, or we have to identify our product or our organization as per our cultural, as per our quality, as per our customer need and requirement. We have to balance that all things, then and then we will survive in market easily. Cost considerations, we have to manage our cost, how we will cut cost, or how we will balance our cost. That is more important. Innovations and product development, To survive in market, we have to innovate something new in our product day by day. If we will continue our product from last 3 year or 2 year, the other company or the other competitor can affect us easily. So we should analyze our structure, we we should analyze our marketing strategy, and we can easily survive in market. So that all are the factors can affect in our structure easily. Departmentation. Departmentation is the process of analyzing, dividing and arranging the work of activities into the manageable portion for individuals, section and department. Mostly departments are found through the process of departmentation. In corporate world, it is termed as division, department or a section. In government organization, they called as branch, bureau or departments. In military organization, they are referred as the battalions, group or a company. The term may be different in different organization, but same nature, the priority of work, utilize them through rather it workforce or in knowledge. That is important in our organizations. Department, if we will not depart, we will not divided as per the sections or as per the different department, we will not work effectively because all things mess up. We will not understand in which department or in which department are facing problem and how we will work effectively. If we will identify as per the department, we can easily work together. So the group of the people as per the quality, as per their expertise, that can more effective in any organization. Basis of departmentation: functions or a purpose. For a particular functions or for a particular purpose, they have to work with each other, whether it's for a short term period or a long term period. After that, the product. As per the product, we have in our organizations, we have lots of product. We have electronics item, we have other food items. If we have some other product for a stationery item or anything, if we can identify with the same strategy or we can use the same technique to handle that customer, it will not work out. For a different product or for a different department, we have to analyze and we have to clarify how customer want that product and how we will give them that product on a different way. that is more important. So, as per the departmentations, we will easily identify customers as per the customer needs and want. We should analyze that product and we will continue with them geographically as per the process and as per the time. For a particular era, the departmentation is more important. Span of management. The term span of management refers to the numbers of people or a subordinate who work under a supervisor or a superior effectively, efficiently, and can be managed by him or her. This group of people are generally the subordinate working under a manager or a superior who directly report to him. As per the span of management, as per the department, different department have the different managers. So the departmental manager can easily communicate with each other. Not every employee or not a single person have that communication gap. When the numbers of people working in a department in large, it needs to among the various superior in order to operate effectively. So in departmentations, every department have the different managers and every department have the different authority to handle that area, so they can effectively work with each other. Thank you. We will meet you again with new exciting topic. Till then, thank you.
स्वाध्यायः परः